Hey guys, today I'm going to make some beef tips and gravy in the slow cooker using a cut up chuck roast. So let's get crocking. I bought this mega pack of beef chuck roast for $5.99 a pound, so 7 pounds of meat for $41.63. So I'm just going to cut some of that up into pieces and then use beef broth and flour for my gravy. Starting off with 2 cups of beef broth in the pot. One's already in there, so that's 2 cups of beef broth. And then 1/2 cup of flour, and I'm going to get that all mixed up and get all the lumps out of the flour, get it all blended together. My gravy's all whisked up and I have the pot on so it's warming up, and while that's happening I'm going to take this roast and cut it up and trim out some of that excess fat. Alright, my meat's all trimmed up and cut into smaller pieces. Now we'll get that into the pot. Try not to splash all the gravy out. And I'll season it with just a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. I'm not going to add any salt right now. It might need salt, but I think I'll add that at the end. This is how much fat I trimmed out of that. It's quite a bit of fat in chuck is the thing. Get this all mixed up. Ooh, splash, splash. Okay, and we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on low, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes to get tender. It's been 8 hours. This sure smells good. Let's see if it's tender. Yep, that piece kind of, yep, it breaks apart. It's done. Guess I should stir it up a little bit and see how the gravy looks. Sometimes a little flour will kind of stick to the bottom a little bit and you have to kind of stir it all up, but it looks like it came out real nice. This go great with mashed potatoes, rice, or noodles, but I'm going to put mine on bread. This gravy's pretty thick. If you wanted to, you could thin it out. You could add a little bit of water or a little more broth to it if you wanted to thin it out. But I like it like this. I'm just going to put on this piece of bread and chow down. This is more like shredded beef, but that just means it's tender. Let's try it out. Alrighty. It came out good. It's nice and tender, and it's not overly salty. Actually, I use self-rising flour, so that already has a little bit of salt in it, so I think it's good that way. Annie had to wake up from her nap to try it out. Life's rough, Annie. There you go. Yep, Annie approved. Well, that was pretty easy. Hardest part of that was cutting up the roast. Besides that, it was just 4 ingredients. And I didn't use any canned or packaged soup mixes, so it wasn't all that salty. Anyway, I'll write the ingredients and the directions in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.